Good day, everyone. This is Ezekiel. So let me quickly show you how to use Business Manager. So firstly, you need to add pages or page, maybe just one page. So if you already have a page there, that's good. If you don't, click add and add a page. Just create one or add a page. Then click add accounts, add, create new add account. So you type the add account name, for example, Moban. Then change the currency, make sure it is Naira. Though it might take you some time to find Africa, but just keep scrolling down. You see Africa Lagos. Click Africa Lagos. Good. Then click next. My business. Create rather. So it take a minute to load. Good. So your name will show your ticket. Then manage account. Assign. So you'll be in charge of everything. So you can just close it for now. Just close this one. Yeah, just exit. So go to data source. That's where you'll be able to set up your pixel. So can you see mobile services doesn't have any pixel. So go to new tab, open your website. So this one is mobileglobal.com/wp-admin. So just wait for it to load. Good. So make sure you signed in successfully. Good. So click add. Good. So you have to type in the URL here. So instead of typing, you can just copy it from here. The URL of the website. Copy it from here. Then paste it here. Good. Then continue. So you can decide to continue the pixel setup, or you can decide to wait till later, but let's just continue it. So set up the pixel now. So what we want to do is we want to manually add pixel code. So click manually add pixel code. So they will ask you to copy this long thing. So click copy. So once you click copy, don't worry about testing the base code. So there are different ways to do this. Either you copy this code and paste it in the header, or you use pixel my site. I wanted to use pixel my site, but I've changed my mind. Some people are saying that pixel my site, that some things might go wrong later. So let's just go to plugins. Yes, plugins, good. Add new. So what we want to do is that we want to install insert header and footer, so we can paste the code there. So type insert header and footer. Good. So can you see this particular one? Click install, or install now rather. Then activate. So that is it. So what we want to do now is that we want to paste that code that we just copied. So go to settings. Can you see insert header and footer now? Click on it. Then script header, Ctrl V. So the code that we just copied, paste it there. Then click save. So can you see settings what saved? So come back here. So what we want to do now is that we want to test the URL. So they want to know if what the pixel code is already there. So send test traffic. So you just give it a minute. So you see that it's still loading. Just give it a minute. Okay, said no activity yet. So just wait. It happens like that sometimes. So click continue. As far as you know that you have copied the code and you pasted it there. So click continue. So can you see use Facebook event setup tool? So that's for event. So click it. Good. So let me see. Okay, let me send the test traffic here. Mobile.com. So open website. So this one now, I want to believe you have created your landing page. And if you have not, well, it's not too late. So I think I want to believe the video is okay. I think that's the sixth thing I explained. Okay. So you haven't created your landing page. So it said a pixel wasn't detected on the website. Check the URL. Blah blah blah. So it happens like that sometimes. That's the main reason why I like using Pixel website. So just give it a minute. And if you notice that this open website, you couldn't click it because it normally happen like that sometimes. Good, let me address it. So just click on this link that I have pasted here and press enter twice together. 1 2. So it will open it for you like this. So wait for this one to load. So if it insists like that, Just cancel. Cancel. Just click here to go to Events Manager. So you're able to see Events Manager. So you can see no data source. So you still have to go back. Just click on business settings here. So I don't know, your own might not do like that, or your own might actually work immediately. So if it doesn't work like that, just use Pixel your site. So come to your WordPress dashboard. Yeah, your WordPress dashboard. So go to plugins. Where's plugins? Plugins. Add new. So search for Pixel your site. Pixel your site. So this is another method in case if that one doesn't work. Sometimes normally take a long time before that one responds. So click install now. Good. Then activate. So this one is still loading. Okay, good. S- So data source pixels. So you're able to see the one on the pixel here. Okay, I think it's active now. Can you imagine? It's showing green. Let's try it. So open event manager. So can you see now that it is showing here? Well, so that means you don't need pixel your site again. So scroll down, click add event from the pixel. So click open event setup or open event setup too. Though in case your own, in case if you don't, in fact, let me even do that right now. Before I go to this one, sorry, I don't want to leave people behind. So in case if your own doesn't turn green like this, you can just wait for a couple of minutes or maybe hours. In case it doesn't turn green, so click this ID, come to plugins or come to your dashboard, go to pixel your site. Okay, good. So go to pixel your site dashboard. Let it load. So can you see your Facebook pixel? Click for settings. Click for settings. Don't touch any other thing. Just come here, paste your ID. But I'm not going to do that because my one is already working. Then scroll down and scroll down to the bottom and click save settings. So like that, keep on testing it. You see that it will work. Or just wait for a couple of minutes or probably hours. You see that it's done green. So I've taught you two methods now, using insert header and footer or using pixel your site. So let's go back to the event manager and let's paste this our URL. Paste, then open website. So just wait for it to load. So now I'm explaining events. Events. So just give it a minute. So let's leave it to load. Sometimes it might give error that that it just give error about pixel something something that the pixel exactly wasn't detected. So if your one is get giving that error, let's just wait. Let's go and do something else. So go to your business settings, go to brand safety, brand safety domains. So you need to add your domain. So click add the domain, add. Okay, yeah. Remove the HTTPS, add. Good. So remove all those slash this slash that. So they want us to copy this meta tag. So click it. Can you see you've copied it? So come to your WordPress dashboard, go to settings, insert header and footer. So this one is just like verification of domain. So scroll down. Can you see? Sorry. Can you see end of metapixel code? Press enter. Then paste this one. Paste this one. Scroll down. Then save. In fact, this one might take about 30 minutes before it works though. Sometimes. So let's go to this link. This is our link. So what we want to do is we want to check if this particular code is there. Though it will be there since we have already pasted it, but at least let's still check it out. So wait for it to load. Good. So if it has loaded, just right click and click view page source. So you'll be able to see it at the top. So just scroll down. Okay. So just look for it. You should be able to see it before all of this. Good. Can you see it? So look for your own and make sure you can see it. This is it. So since it is there, let's come back here and click verify. Can you see they said sometimes may take up to 72 hours. Yeah. Good. And sometimes you might not be able to see this verified domain because of like all those small laptops. So can you see click settings, then zoom minus. That's to zoom in. I mean, yeah, as in zoom in or zoom out. So just click minus. So you'll be able to see this verified domain. So give it a minute. Sometimes an hour, sometimes two. But just keep trying it. So let's go back to our event manager. Let's see if this one has picked. Sometimes normally take time. So click add event from the pixel, open event setup tool, and paste your domain name. Nope, I'm just gonna copy the domain name. You can cancel this one since you don't need it again. So paste it, then you can click open website. So let's just wait. Okay, still giving the same error. Let me try to add let me try to use let me copy the code, the ID. So let me try to use pixel your site, because this one sometimes it takes more time than. So as usual, click for settings. So that's why I'm showing you two methods, just in case I'm not sure I copied this code well. Sorry. I knew it. So please make sure you copy the code well. So scroll down, click save settings. So anytime you see all those messages that I normally give, most especially for verification of domain, for this one too. So don't feel bad, don't be discouraged. It happens a lot. So we just have to wait. Keep trying, keep trying. So paste, enter. Wait for it to load. And in case your own worked and it's giving another error, sometimes it's normally be like pop-up error. Good. So click on it. It will be up here. So click on it and say always allow Facebook. So this one is still giving us the same error. So you just have to wait.